Are you ready to make a video? Hi there, my name is Melissa Daphnis, and I am a freedom coach and an RV lifestyle consultant, and I teach people the secrets to RV freedom. This is my pup Tigger. He loves to RV too, and he's going to go sit down now because he doesn't have much to say. So what do I mean by the secret to RV freedom? Well, what I mean is that there are unique considerations that you have to think about when living the RV dream. Whether you already have your RV and you're living the RV lifestyle right now, or whether you're thinking about living your RV dream, it's important to know that RVing and making money from the road while you're RVing is different than anything else in the world. It's not just laptop lifestyle and it's not just digital nomad. There are really some considerations that you have to think about. And part of the reason that I'm here today doing this YouTube channel is because I learned the hard way, unfortunately. In 2015, I knew, well, for years before that, I knew that there had to be more to life than just working every day to pay the bills, to go to bed and get up and work the next day to pay the bills. I felt like I was stuck in an endless loop, an endless rut. And I knew that if I didn't change something quickly and live the life that I wanted to live, that I was going to end up staying where I was and just dying an unfulfilled life. And I didn't want to do that. So in 2015, I sold everything except my motorcycle and my dogs to buy this RV right here that I'm in, the RV of my dreams, a 44-foot fifth wheel toy hauler. I love the RV lifestyle. I love the community. I love the people. I love living this dream. The only thing is that it was much harder than I thought to figure out the online business thing. You know, there are plenty of ways to make money as an RVer, but I didn't want to work camp, and I didn't want to camp host and clean toilets. I didn't want to be stuck somewhere doing a job for 8 hours a day or whatever. I had just gotten out of that. I wanted to have real freedom and real adventure. I wanted to be able to have an online business so I could work from anywhere and stay anywhere as long as I wanted. And like I said, it turned out to be harder than I thought. A few years later, I found myself struggling. I found myself in debt. I felt like a complete failure. I had had some successes. I had learned a lot, but there were some things missing. And the things that were missing is what is unique to the RV lifestyle. I paid a lot of money for coaches and courses, and I found out, I learned a lot, but I also found out they didn't work for me because, number one, they didn't understand the RV lifestyle and what it takes. For one thing, think about trying to get internet at an RV park. You know, you're not in a house. You're not always somewhere you can go. So not only that is a consideration, but there's travel, there's being on the road. There are a lot of considerations. So the coaches and the courses didn't take into account the RV lifestyle. And the second thing that really, really caused me to struggle and caused so many other people to struggle that I decided to do this channel and make it specifically for people who are struggling to live the RV lifestyle with an online business. And that second thing was that most, if not every coach or course that I paid for out there did not give me a solid foundation to be able to have a real business. I mean, they said, oh, I'll teach you how to do this. Here's the way I did it. If, you know, you do it this way. And I tried to do it that way, and it didn't work for me, or it didn't feel authentically me. So it just didn't work because I had no foundation. I had no idea. I started this dream thinking I need to make money online, and I had no idea how I was going to do it. And I just jumped into things trying to make money, and that wasn't the answer. There is a lot more to it, and you have to build a solid foundation. You have to be able to have a business that you like so that you'll continue to do it every day. You have to be able to have a business that will make you the money that you want to make. Look, I wasn't after millions of dollars. You don't need millions of dollars to live your RV dream. If you want to make millions of dollars, the only way I can see that you're going to do it from the RV freedom lifestyle is with an online business. But you can also make whatever you need per month. So you can work as little or as much as you want to. Some people might only need $2,000 a month. Some might need 3, some might need 5, some might want 10. Some may have a supplemental income and just want to do it on the side. Some people may need a full-time income or more to be able to afford the dream they really want. That's why I'm here. I am so passionate about living the RV dream and helping other people just like you to live their RV dream lifestyle, that I want to put everything I can out there and help you with it. So if you think that you want to live the RV lifestyle, or if you're living it right now and you want to figure out how to make the money that you want, doing the job that you want, doing the work that you want, from an online business so you can have the freedom to go anywhere, then subscribe to this channel and watch the videos, and I will see you on the other side on the videos. If you have any comments or questions, go ahead and put them on the videos or put them on this video and let me know, because I'm here to help you. That's what I want to do. I want to live my RV freedom, my RV dream life, and I want you to live yours too. Thanks for being here and have a great day.